Hello, welcome back guys. This is the first video, the second video actually from the XLPower 520 building series. In this episode we're gonna assemble we're gonna take the first step from in the manual, and we're gonna assemble the main rotor head. So this is already pre-assembled from the factory, but we need to disassemble, and as shown in the manual we need to thread lock it and apply grease on all the bolts. Same for the swash plate. Okay, so we have no thread lock, no grease on the bearings, no thread lock on the bolts. You need to be careful because the truss bearings, they always have to be in a specific way. If you pull, this is the outside part, and the bearing, the truss bearing needs to be with the balls running inside like that. Okay. So I need some grease to apply here. It seems that the main shaft, the feathering shaft is really tight on the dampeners here, and it's really hard to push. But somehow I need to push this a bit just so that I can apply some grease. Yeah, so I'm pushing hard. This will come out like that. And then I'm taking some grease. Okay, now the dampers are greased. We need to add these shims. Yeah, it's like that. We need to add some grease on the truss bearings. So that's the grease on one side. Remember the way that you took the truss bearing. Now this will come on this side like so. Now I'm pushing the blade grip. Be sure that you're not touching the screw with your hands full of grease, because this screw needs to be thread locked, okay? Now We are not gonna thread lock these ones because they need to be thread locked after we are putting the head on the main shaft. So I was not really careful at the manual. What do you know? We need to put this screw before we put the feathering shaft. So let me correct this.